what do you think people should do to get started in the property industry? And you're big on mindset. So a sort of two-pronged question. What should people do and what mindset should people have?
To get started in property now, you definitely need to be educated. Why? Because the compliance is so high. It's not simply you've bought the house, you got the keys and you've given it to a tenant. That's the easy, short, nice version of things. It's about how do you gain that asset? Do you have the right finance in place? Do you know how loans work? Because it's not just mortgages now. There's bridging loans out there. There's development finance out there. What is accessible to you? Have you got this in the right structure? Is it in your personal name where you're going to be hit with minimum 22% tax and where you can't claim this loan back as a deduction? Or are you going to put it into a company where you can deduct that loan and you're paying 19% corporation tax, but actually you don't own the asset, a company does that you're a director of. So are you going to open that mindset? And to jump in now and not even know these couple of basics might sort of be really, really scary a little bit later on down the line, because you're going to make loads of mistakes, loads of losses, and to take properties out of your personal name will cost you dearly because you're just paying stamp duty again. And as a landlord, you pay a 5% surcharge on top of the standard rate. So it could be a very easily 30 to 50,000 pound mistake. And that's something that can finish you straight away. Yeah. So be in the right rooms.
I'm going to pivot slightly. Your book is called Brick by Brick. So we've got a few props. So I'm going to add this one to the table. And it really reflects your journey, building success step by step over time. And looking back, what was the first brick you laid that set everything in motion?
So there's actually 6 pillars that I live by. And the very first pillar is, in this book, it's all about the sponge effect. Yeah. And first of all, what is a sponge? When you leave it somewhere, it absorbs. So that's my theory, is the sponge effect of it absorbs absorb all the good around and then just rinse out all of the bad stuff around you. So I was always around the right people and I always absorbed. So that's my very, very first pillar. Don't go to a shop and help your dad and just be a little worker and say, I can't wait to go home and play on the PlayStation. Be that person of, I'm now in the shop for 2-3 hours with my dad. He's telling me how to work out VATs and markups. He's telling me how to get interpersonal skills and speak to customers and have confidence. I'm going to now start learning these skills.